In this video, I'm gonna talk about 11 weeks workshop on data structures and algorithm. If you're interested in this sector, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I will give the information about free data structures and algorithms workshop, and you will earn your free certificate after completing this comprehensive DSA workshop. So let's talk about it. Okay, here at first we need to see some course features, but most importantly here you can see it is entirely free of cost, and here is course overview. You can go through it. Next, what actually you will learn from this workshop? It is learn important data structures, concepts and algorithm with easy, enhance your problem solving ability and industry level coding problems, then solve problems asked in product based companies. Lastly, have doubts, resolve your queries in question 1 session. And here is course content. You can see it's 5 week, and if you click here see more, then here you can see it is 11 week. And here is some facts, so you can go through it if you have any confusion. And these are offered by geeks, for geeks. Okay, so to enroll or get these workshops, all you need to do, just need to simply log in or register here. So at first we need to click here, log in to register. Then we'll get two options, sign in, sign up. Click here, sign up, as we are new here. So if you want, you can your email, then your password or institution, or there is another way to log in. You can log in here using your Google account. So click here. Okay, so after logging here using a Google account, you may get this form directly. It is a registration form, so you will get this form directly. But if you don't get this form directly, then how will you get it? I'm showing you. If you don't get this form directly, then again you need to copy the link and paste it in another tab. Then scroll it down, and here you can find this register button. Just you need to simply click over there. Okay, when you click here, then you will get this form easily too. So you just need to simply write down your name, your contact number, your institution or company name, your graduation year, then wherever you stay, your territory you need to select here. Okay, then you need to give your invitation code, and it is the most crucial thing of this registration process. Now I'm showing you what should be your invitation code. So this code should be like this: GFG205IB4. Nothing to get worried about this code, you will get it in the video descriptions. So okay, after giving or putting this code correctly, then you need to click register. When you click register, then you'll be able to do this 11 week workshop, and you will get the link and invitation code in the video description. So follow video description.